Harley Davidson Motorcycles Mini RPM free games. Awards with 43 free games in this case, plus bonus multipliers times 1 times. Let's see what we can get here. Let's rev up them engines. There we go. We got the black bike 5 across. Page 710. Good start. Very good start. We could have over $300 if we get spins like that every time. Maybe. It could happen. Third game, I guess it's 310. 1370. Alright, we got 10s and black backs 3 across. Paid 90 cents. That's in only 4 games. Oh, I think we're on a hot one now. 4 across on blue bikes. Or is it 3 across? Black bikes 3 across. Yeah, just 3 across on each of them. $18 win so far. And looks like we're going to have some black bikes. 3 across only. So this is nice. 260 black bikes, 4 across. Looking good. 8 games. It's got us 21-20. All coming down. 3 across on the black bikes. $1. 80 cents there. Game 10. And we're a quarter of the way there. If we can keep it up, we might be able to break $100. 2 walls coming down. That's going to help a lot because we got blue box 4 across. Pays $5.80. Here comes 13, which could be powerful or lucky. But it was neither. Game 15, 40 cents. Hard to get a good win followed by another good win. $0.90 brings us over $30. 30.70. That looks good for game at 17. 3 across on black bikes. Pays $2.70. $19 looks good. 4 across on black bikes, 3 across on kings. Pays $1.80. That wall is helpful there. We're going to have lights 4 across and kings 4 across and jacks 3 across. 20 cents there. We're halfway there, and see if we can't get $70 or more. Don't look like we'll make that $100. Ooh, with it slowing down, I don't know what we'll get. Well, we got bikes at least 3 across. Yeah, as far as it made it. 3 across, 40 cents. $0.10. It's not going to get us anything on that one. 10s, 4 across. I think we got black bikes to be 4 across. Oh, 5 across even. Oh, that's 280. At least it looks like we might get at least $50. We're gonna get 33 or 43. That pays 40 cents. All right, we're gonna have Kings 4 across. Wall comes down. We're gonna have Blue Bikes 4 across. It's a good pay at $1.90. 9 games to go. $0.40. Jacks, 3 or 4 across. Made it 4 across. Oh, we got 3 games to go. I don't know if we'll break the 50. 2 games. Oh, that's looking good. But black, only 3 across on the black bikes. It's $1.30. One last game. If we can get $3.60. We got 80 cents. All right, we're getting close. The
Stop
50.
back again, and we'll fix you up with some more excitement.
47.20. That's good. 80-cent bet.
Congratulations. That is one fantastic win.